For weekly fitness tips, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. The 5 best exercises to lose weight at home. Are you looking to lose weight at home? Looking for a solution to get slimmer and lose body fat? If so, this video is just for you. Yes, we know just how hard it can be to lose weight, especially at home. But hey, there's good news. You can in fact successfully lose weight and become slimmer, all from the comfort of your own home. That's only if you include these 5 important workouts into your weekly regime. So, what workout should you do to lose weight? Well, you mainly want to focus on exercises that burn lots of calories so you stay at a calorie deficit. Make sure to put max effort into these exercises so that you get the best results possible. Let's check the exercises out. Firstly, burpees. Burpees are renowned for really making you work hard. It consists of you going from a press-up position on the floor, bringing your legs to your chest, and jumping up. It might feel horrible doing it, making you feel out of breath quickly and feeling burning sensations around your body. But the burpee is a great exercise to burn as many calories as possible, which is the main focus when losing weight. Roughly, you burn 10 to 15 calories for every 20 burpees. Furthermore, it's a great cardio exercise and will definitely get the blood pumping around the body. Secondly, jump squats. The jump squat is just a variation of a normal body-weighted squat, but adding a jump in every rep. To make you aware, if you didn't feel the legs burning on the burpees, you will definitely feel them now. In just 30 jump squats, with 30-second rests between sets of 10, you can burn 100 calories in almost no time at all. Thirdly, explosive push-up. Another variant of an exercise, the explosive push-up, is just like a normal push-up, but with an explosive upward force, so you lift yourself off the ground. Not only is the explosive push-up a great exercise burner, but it really does work your pectoral muscles located in your chest. To burn 1 calorie, you must complete 3 push-ups. You may find this hard if you aren't accustomed to doing push-ups, but the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. Number 4, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers get your heart rate up fast, while also nearly hitting every muscle group in the body. It consists of you holding a press-up-like position while bringing your knees to the chest. Mountain climbers burn 10 calories every minute. Giving your best effort in mountain climbers will definitely get your lungs working, but just make sure to keep pushing. Lastly, star jumps. Star jumps, also known as jumping jacks, are another great calorie burner. In fact, doing star jumps for 1 minute straight will burn 16 calories. If you aren't sure how to perform a star jump, you essentially jump off the ground, bringing your arms and legs out so that your body forms a star shape. Not only do star jumps burn calories, but it increases your heart rate and also benefits your aerobic capacity and strengthens your heart. And that's it. 5 of the best exercises to lose weight at home using just your body weight and no equipment at all. Now it's up to you to implement the workouts into your daily routine. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more informative fitness videos, subscribe to the channel.